In this video, we're going to be solving equation 1.3.2. 1.3.2 is given by 6z squared y minus 10zy plus 15z minus 25. So as you can see, the method that we're going to use here, it's grouping. So if you divide this into two groups and then you simplify, you will see that the common factor for the first group, so I'll name them group 1, gr1, then gr2. So we group these variables. So as you can see, when you do the grouping, you have to check the common factor. So as you can see, this one has got zy and this one has got zy. Then this one, it doesn't have zy. So you group it as group 2. So for group 1, let's check the common factor for group 1. So for group 1, you have zy as a common factor, zy as a common factor, then open bracket 6. Okay, so what is the common factor of 6 and 10? So if we do the factors of 6 and 10, so we need to get the common factor for 6 and 10. So let's start with 6 and 10. So 6 is 2 times 3, it's for 6, and then also 6 times 1, it's also for 6. And then for 10, you have 5 times 2, and then 10 times 1. So the common factor, it's 2 for both of them. So the common factor is 2. As you can see, 10 has got 2, and then also the 6 has 2. So that's our common factor. Now we can therefore factor out the 2. So we can go back to the original equation, then we factor out the 2, z and y. So we know that here it's 2 times 3, and then this one is 5 times 2. So the 2 is the common factor. The 2 is the common factor, and also the zy is the common factor. Okay, so we factor out 2zy, then you'll have 3z minus 5. Okay, then we go to the second group. So the second group, the common factor here, so we're also going to take 15. 15 is equals to 3 times 5, and then 25 is equals to 5 times 5. So the common factor here is 5. We're going to factor out 5. Then we open the bracket. You'll have, it's 3 times 5 for the 15. So you'll have 3z minus 5. So for this one, it's 3 times 5. Then this one is 5 times 5. So we take 5 as a common factor. Then you'll be left with 3z 5 minus 5. 3z minus 5. So as you can see, we have the common factor now. The common factor is 3z. So you're only going to write it once. You're going to start with 3z minus 5. You write only one bracket. Then you open another bracket. You put the values that are outside there. So you put them inside the bracket. As you can see, here it's a plus. So you'll say 2zy plus 5. Then this will be your final answer. If you have any question, please comment on the section below, or you can send me a WhatsApp text. Then I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.